Hello everyone, I am Ratul Mondal. My research is about compaction controls for open-graded aggregate using lightweight deflectometer. This study was conducted at Oklahoma State University under the supervision of Dr. Dev Mishra. Currently, there is no compaction control specification for this kind of material, and the density-based approach is not suitable due to the large wires and the absence of fine particle in this material. So we are trying to establish a deflection-based compaction control for this kind of material. For this study, we use integrated approach combining small-scale lab testing, intermediate scale lab testing, and finally a full-scale field testing. We also did some numerical modeling as well. We used HM4 and HM57 material for this study. We used Zorn and also an LWD device for measuring the surface deflection in the study, and the data gives us consistent results, providing the data are device agnostic. In the lab, we use jackhammer and vibratory shake table compaction for studying which compaction method is actually simulating the field compaction in the lab. We use 12-inch big proctor molds for the testing in the lab. In the second stage, testing in the box, we use pressure cell for measuring the pressures at different elevation. We also varied the thickness in the box. We use different compaction level using vibratory plate compactor. Finally, in the field testing, we used different layer compaction, varying the thickness and the aggregate type, the geosynthetic use, and also we used geocell as a reinforcement for observing the effect of geocell reinforcement for the compaction of this kind of material. This is a drone shot taken from the field construction. We use vibratory roller compactor for compacting different layers, and we varied the number of passes for applying different compaction level to the layer. This is another drone shot from the field construction showing the geocell reinforcement placement during the compaction process. From the field testing data and comparing it with the lab data, we can say vibratory shake table is actually simulating the field condition in the lab. Finally, we did some numerical study using PSA software, and during this study, we have found that if a layer surface friction is 0.5 millimeter, we can say we have achieved optimum compaction for that layer. Finally, in short, LW devices can be used as an alternative for quality assurance for open-graded aggregate material, and vibratory shake table is actually simulating the field condition in lab. Thank you, everybody.